Hello, everybody. It's Irene and Robert from Barnyard Golf. So, the weather out here is not so nice. It's raining today and it's maybe at tops of 40 degrees. So, um, we decided we're going to do a world golf tour um, instead of being able to go outside and play. And if you've never played World Golf Tour, it's actually a really, really great golf game. Um, you know, it's very realistic, not in terms of representing my game, but it's a lot of fun, and it actually gives you a good understanding of golf and the different clubs and so on. So follow us as we sit here and play this today. It's going to be fun. Ooh, a little bit in the rough. And you can see Robert's attire. He changed his attire for this today. He's looking very cheery in his multicolored shirt with flowers and his Payne Stewart look. And his drive looks pretty nice, right in the fairway. Let's see what I got. Not too bad. Yeah. We're going to go for it. And as we're going through some of this thing, as far as the course and such, you're going to see some of the tricks of the trade that Robert has learned in playing World Golf Tour. So if there's any questions about how he did any of the different shots, let us know, comment, and we'll get a video out on how he did, how he managed to do those and some of the tricks that he's learned along the way. I have to say, my putting is realistic to my putting. But okay, quick first hole. This is PGA National, by the way. They've got a lot of great courses on here. One of my favorites is Wolf Creek. I love Wolf Creek. It's just so beautiful and it's challenging. PGA National, from what I've seen, I haven't played it often, but it pretty narrow fairways, but otherwise relatively flat, pretty straightforward. All right, let's see if we put that in the fairway. Robert always tends to hit further than I do. I'm a tour master, as you can see up here, and he is a tour legend. All right, I got Blinky Blinky. I hope it's close. Ooh. It's kind of neat too, because seeing all these different courses. It's got Kiowa. It's got Bethpage. Um, it's got Wolf Creek, as I said. It's got a bunch of different courses, and it's so cool to see. They are so realistic as far as in terms of the holes and what they look like. Oh, some of these greens are a bit challenging. Okay, all tied up going into the third hole. Slightly narrow. Just gonna throw it out there. It's par 5. Set myself up good for a second shot. It's kind of funny because you kind of see some of these courses and you think, oh, wow, I'd love to get out there and play some of these. And it's kind of like you're torn between, being out there and being in awe of how beautiful it is and being on these courses and being extremely humbled by these courses. Ooh, I'm still way out. And that is right against the water. I am going to just take it easy here because I don't want to be in the water. Oop. I pulled that, pushed it right. I got a long putt, but at least I'm not in the water, so I'm happy about that. Let's see what Robert does. With all the different courses that are out here, I've never played any of them, but Robert's played Bethpage, and just remembering from when he went and played that, how challenging and hard it was. So it's a lot to be said for some of these really beautiful courses. Oh, and I've got just an absolutely lovely putt. Oh, all right. I'm just going to try to get somewhat close. Somewhat. All right, that works. That's not bad. Ooh. All right, put that away. All right, we are still all tied up. I'm going to go that way. Take a shortcut. Stay out of the bunker. Okay. Wow, that was a nice drive. That was far. Okay. Sit down. Good. All right. Not bad. Kind of like that. It gives you the picture of the hole here. It gives you an idea of where you need to be and how to get there. Shows you the wind up here, how far you have left to get to the hole. For those of you that have never played before, it's actually kind of cool because like you can join little country clubs. Oh wow! And some of them have tournaments in the country club. Some of them do things together, turf wars and stuff like that as a club, which is kind of neat too. Robert and I tend to play against each other, just for fun. Pick different courses, pick different nines. Sometimes we even pick different tees. So it's kind of fun because like sometimes we're playing the gold tees on this course, which is one before the championship tees. But some of them, if you play some of the tees that are farther up, you can, it makes it a whole different game because you're playing from tees that you could pretty much drive the green. So it's kind of fun, just to kind of make it a light competition and do something easy and fun for the day. All right, I got blinky blinky, so hopefully it's close. Oh, I'm coming for you, bud. But again, if you enjoy some of these videos, we wish we could be out on the course, but because of the weather today, we weren't. But please subscribe, please like, and if you'd like to kind of see some other things with how we do some of these shots and stuff, just comment on what you'd like to see, and we'll create another video specific to that. I'm down by one. I got to work a little harder here. Oh, I looked like it was so close to the water on the little map. All right. All right, here I come. I'm coming for you. I know I can't hit my driver as far as Robert does, but I'm going to come close. So it's kind of cool because you can get different clubs. You can also get different golf balls. which all play into how you play against each other, or the play against other people, or just yourself, just how you do in general. All right. Oh, well, just a little off. Okay. Nope. No biggie. Nice shot. Hmm. Ooh, I'll take it. Nice hole. Nice eagle. Wow. I'm getting my butt kicked. 206 par 3. Oh my God. That's so funny. I wouldn't even be able to reach that with my driver in real life. But that's okay, because in this game, I'm Superwoman. Come here. Let's see right there. Go this way. 16. Ah, hit a bit to the right. I didn't mean to do that. Ooh. Come back. Come back. Well, got a long putt. All right, let's just get it close. Turn. Thank you. Good try. Oh, lovely. You should see the break. Okay. I am down by 2. We're on the 8th hole. And this one, you can see here the water in the middle there. So you actually have to lay up. Oh, wow. You went for it? You're an Adams. No, thank you. I am just going to take it nice and conservative. That works for me. Okay, got 139. I got a little wind behind me. I'm just going to pop it over. And I got blinky blinky. Get there. Yeah. I'm gonna get some points back on you. Oh, Daddy's got blinky blinky too. Good shot. Nice. All right, I'm only one behind now. Down by one stroke, final hole. Crush it, baby, go. All right. Good position, right in the middle of the fairway. Nice drive. All right, where am I? Do-do-do. All right, blinky blinky, get close. Well, I'd like to thank you for joining us today on our front nine of PGA National. Again, if the weather was nicer, we'd actually be outside playing for real. But we we live in the part of the country where that's just not feasible in January some days. So it's raining. It's going to turn to snow. So we decided to play World Golf Tour and just have some fun. And we're going to do that here and there, probably through the winter. Wherever we get a real play outside, we definitely will. But right now, we're just can't get out there, so this is the closest we're going to get to having a good golf round. So thank you for joining us, and we'll be sure to post more up in the coming days, weeks, until we can get out and do it for ourselves. So thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Oh, good try. All right, pressure, no pressure, no pressure. Ooh, I got a birdie. Did that tie us up? That ties us up. So, final par, final shot. Thank you all.